Hi everyone. Today we're diving into an unexpected political drama that unfolded in Zimbabwe. Yes, I'm talking about Auxillia Mnangagwa, the First Lady, who faced some stiff resistance at her rallies. But why did this happen? Let's unwrap this together. Auxillia Mnangagwa, typically seen as a supportive figure beside President Emmerson Mnangagwa, has been increasingly active in political circles. Recently, she took to the stage, aiming to rally support. However, not everything went as planned. At several rallies, instead of applause, she met with resistance. Yes, resistance from the very supporters she expected to win over. Now, why is this significant? You see, in politics, the support of the base is crucial. It's like the foundation of a house. Without it, things can start to shake. The resistance Auxillia faced is not just about a few disrupted rallies, it's a signal that there might be deeper issues brewing under the surface within the ruling party. So what does this mean for the political landscape in Zimbabwe? Well, it could be a lot of things. It might affect the strategies of the ruling party, influence public opinion, or even reshape future political alignments. But one thing is clear: when a key political figure faces such public resistance, it's time to pay attention. It tells us about the changing dynamics and the pulse of the people. In conclusion, Auxillia Mnangagwa's rally turmoil isn't just a series of unfortunate events. It's a reflection of a much larger narrative, one that speaks volumes about the political climate and the sentiments of the populace. It's these moments that remind us how dynamic and unpredictable the world of politics can be. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more insights and analyses on what's shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious and engaged.